Hello everyone, I'm Alvin. Welcome to my Excel basic tutorial. And today I'm gonna show you even more formula you can use in Microsoft Excel. And the first things I'm gonna do is talk about how to do the average formula. And I want to do it here, so it's very similar. I think to myself the sales equals to the average of and left parentheses. This is necessary, again, keep in mind. So I put my mouse on the first cell, and to describe my range, I click and hold on and drag to the right. This is my range. I want to find the average of the 5 score. So all I can do is just tap enter and look and find the average of the 5 scores. So you can just put your mouse on the right corner of the cell and look it change to a black cross and click and drag down with your mouse and look it copy the whole formula for you. And then all value came out. This is average formula. So next I'm gonna find out what is the highest value and lowest value of all students in the same subject. For this, the formula is a little different. For the highest, the formula is max. So I'm gonna do max first. So I'm gonna do it here. So I think to myself, the scale is equals to the max and give it a left parenthesis. Alright, and it's up to you to describe your range. The range is here, so you click and drag on your range. So all you can do is just tap enter. And what it did is look through the range, found the maximum number, and print it here. Alright, this is max formula. Next, I'm gonna do the lowest. And this cell is equals to the mean. So give it a left parenthesis. Alright, and this range I'll type it in this time. And it also helps you review how to find the name of the cell. So the range will be E5 through E23. So I type E5 and give a column between the number, so through E23. And the thing you have to notice is the column between the name of the cell. The column you can just think of it as range. And all you can do is just hit enter. And there's the lowest value. So you can see these formulas are pretty useful. You can get some pretty good numbers out of them. Alright, so this is my 5th class, and in my final class I'm gonna be teaching you how to do the rank formula. It's the most complicated one, but no worry, just keep going and see you next time. Bye.